You don't learn easy, do you, pal? You're liable to find yourself in some serious trouble.
Let me worry about that.
Yeah, well, you should. You should be real worried.
Look, all I want is the coin, then I'll leave you alone. I'll head up the road and be on my way. Come on, I want the coin.
I don't know what you're talking about.
The coin you took from Kelly today. The same coin you stole from our house 5 years ago.
Look, forget about it, pal. If you think I'm going to let you pin that rap on me, you're crazy. You and your sister both.
You stole things. Things that belonged to my mother. Now I want them back.
Yeah, what are you going to do about it, huh? Come on, what are you going to do?
Go to the police?
With what proof?
Kelly and I know everything that can...
No, you don't know anything, buddy. It's a bunch of wild accusations dreamed up by a bunch of paranoid kids. Get off it, Ted. Just get off it and go on home, all right? If I ever see you following me again, I'll see you regret it.
I'm not leaving.
Think about it, pal. I'm yours and Lakin's only ally in the Lockridge family. If you don't forget about it, you're liable to find yourself without a girlfriend.
What were you doing in there?
Forget about it, bud.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Look, I'm warning you, Capwell. What the hell is that? Come on, get out of here, man! Go!
I've got to go after her.
Not before you're done explaining.
That's not as important now. She's not even going to understand what we're doing.
I think she will. She was at the Capwell office yesterday. She was asking a lot of questions. I think she knows a lot more than you can bring
How did she know?
She followed you. Look, suspicious wives have been known to do things like that.
I'm sorry, Eden. I've got to go after her.
No, you are going to stay here. You said you had a confession to make to me about my mother. I want to know what it is.
Sophia? I just can't, not Mel.
Yes, that's why I'm here. That's why I met you here. You have been putting me through hell the past few weeks. I want to know why.
Stay! Wait! Stay here! Just stay here.
No! You can't. There's nobody here.
I've got to find
No, don't leave me! Don't leave me!
All right.
No!
Please.
No! No!
Damn him. Damn him. Oh my God. It's an earthquake.
Look at that. It's a major quake. It has to be.
Epicenter Santa Barbara. Let's hope to God they're ready for it.
No, I will not let go of him.
If you think I'm going to leave him here with you... Would somebody please tell me what's going on?
Your father is just leaving.
Not without Brandon, I'm not.
But I want to stay here with Santana.
Do you hear that?
He doesn't understand. Brandon, son. How about going for a ride in Uncle Cece's car? Would you like that?
I don't know.
Dad, Santana's taking care of him. He says he wants to stay here. I don't think you should interfere. Mason, this is none of your business. I'm not going to tell you again. Dad.
Brandon! Brennan is staying right here with me. That's what he wants, and that's what his mother wants.
Not after what you've done with him. Now, I'm going to take that child with me. You let go of her.
Dad, will you get a hold of yourself? Have you lost your mind?
Mason, I told you to stay out of this.
You're frightening the child.
What are you doing here anyway? Are you in on it with her?
In on what? We had a date. I was coming by to pick her up.
Cece, you better leave my parents' house right now before I call the police.
Maybe I better call the police. Or better yet, maybe I better call Gina.
You go ahead and call Gina. There's the phone, but you better think about what you're going to say to her first.
I'm through talking about this.
That's it, Dad. I'm not letting you near her.
Out of my way, Mason.
Far enough.
What are you doing?